Mr. Collins, Okoye.
Dichi.
How are you?
I'm alright.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I said if I don't come wish you happy birthday, waiting again. The moment I zoomed into your day, yeah, on 13th of May,
yes.
I said no, let me zoom out. I have to put on my best dress to come and see.
You're actually looking good.
I'm always like this. You know, looking good is part of the business.
I know.
Anybody that is into this business and you're not looking good, you're taking yourself behind.
Backward, yeah,
so looking
right.
good is also part of the business.
I like
Even the you look good for people that are looking good. In fact, good.
Chief.
So my brother, I have a special gift I want to give to you.
For me?
Yes. Silver or gold, I have none. But what I have is this, to say a happy birthday to you. Have it. That's my widow's mind.
Chief. For my birthday?
Oh yeah, it is for your birthday.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you, sir.
bless you.
You are blessed.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Fans, you can see now, TV have celebrated me with some big money.
Oh, yeah.
Big money.
I know.
God bless you. We'll see you.
Where you go?
Okay, I'm going inside my room.
Be comfortable. They're going inside for it. Give me my money, I beg. Okay, court, now I don't do.
How now? Give me money.
I say give me money
You
now.
just give me money now. Thank you now.
Thank you for waiting. Everybody in the Bible going to thank you. What can you do? So if I leave you, I go collect the money, go. You know they do prank, you know they Nollywood. Not waiting others they do, I do. Can we go preach? This is what every other person, some people in our here, they do. Yeah, in fact, I came to prank you.
What do you mean prank? You can't do that.
I can't do. I've done it already. Now I can't do that. Waiting, I from Guinea.
No.
Waiting, I do the man. Money where I go, bro. Now I go meeting in Mama to club. I get game. You can then I belong.
Are you for real?
Where I can be a minute paparazzi.
No, hold on. You just pranked me.
I came to do so. This is what every other person is into. So me come give you this kind of big money for your birthday. Say na me open your mama placenta. Come na me draw out. Na me use hand to drag you come out of the womb. See Oga. Na cruise I can catch.
Even if you are giving me money, I'm your friend. I want more than this.
Friendship, as to say you are born in men.
Yes.
The only thing you need now is may it be well with you. May you prosper. May heaven respond to your prayers.
Amen.
May you grow in peace and good health.
Amen.
May you continue to may not may you receive my money. Hey, go. Now video I want to can do. Make I use this shine. Please, so if I post this video, first thing I want you to do for me, go on my page and comment. They do it. I'm a small God with a small boy with a big God. Now what I want me you go comment.
As in the money that I'm not even holding.
Comment. Now that's what they do and make you didn't see it coming. This is what you would like to go fake life. Anything people they do, you do they talk. Do them like that. Okay. It don't mean anything.
Okay, so.
As I don't pay you, no go for my hand. You want to go? Happy birthday once more. Me my own on 19th of May.
I will do what you did to me now. The same thing. I will come and brag with you.
You come and prank me.
I will bring car for you.
I will use plank. I should try and no wonder. Don't worry. Me and our temper will be the same thing. Our
your
temper
own is higher. Chief.
Happy birthday, my
friend.
Call him. I don't use this sign. I don't use your birthday sign.
19th. 19th.
Happy birthday. Good job.
19th. Your own is
all right. Thank you. Hey, yeah.